Hello student, good afternoon to all. Today we are going to learn the third method, that is Vogel's method. And second name of Vogel's method is penalty method or regret method. First we see the step of Vogel's method. By solving this problem, first we see method, and step 1, calculate the penalty for each row by taking the difference between smallest and next smallest unit transportation cost in the same row. This difference indicate the penalty or extra cost which has to be paid if one is failed to allot the cell with minimum unit transportation cost. Step second, select the row or column with largest penalty to allocate as much as possible in the cell having the least cost in the selected row or column and satisfying the all rim condition. If tie in the value of penalty, then we select the minimum cost. Then again tie in minimum cost, then we see the maximum allocation of the cell, and then adjust the supply and demand and cross out satisfied row and column. If row and column are satisfied simultaneously, then only one can be crossed out and remaining row is assigned as a zero supply or demand. Any row or column with zero supply or demand should not use in computing the means calculating the future penalties. And repeat this step until the entire available supply at various sources and demand at various destinations are satisfied. This is the step for Vogel's method. Then see the problem. Here problem is given. In this method, we have to calculate the penalty choosing minimum two cost in each row and each column by difference is called penalty. First, see the example. Given example is solve the following TP by using Vogel's approximation method. Here sources are O1, O2, O3, O4 and destination are D1, D2, D3 and minimum cost for O1 source is 274. O2 is 331 and O3 is 547 and O4 162 and supply is 5 8 7 14 and demand is 7 9 18 and addition of all supplies value is 34 and also demand is 34, means this problem is balance type problem. Then write the solution. First write the given problem. In given problem, first write O1, O2, O3, O4 sources, D1, D2, D3 destination. Then write the cost for source 1, 2, 7, 4, second 3, 3, 1, third 5, 4, 7, and fourth 1, 6, 2. And supply is 5, 8, 7, 14, and demand is 7, 9, 18. By this method, first find the penalty. Penalty means the difference between two minimum number for each row and each column. This is the first row. Minimum number of this first row is 2 and next is 4. Therefore, difference between these two is 2. Therefore, here write the penalty in bracket, that is 2. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में आपको ये पेनल्टी लिखनी है. इस पहले रो की पेनल्टी है 2. Then second row, lowest two cost is 1 and 3 and difference between these two is also 2. Here write in square bracket 2. Then third, lowest two number is 5 and 4, therefore difference between these two is 1, therefore here write the penalty 1. And fourth row, the smallest number is 2 and 1, and difference between these two is also 1, and here write square bracket 1. Then see the first column में smallest number कौन से है, 2 और 1, then difference between these two is also 1. And second column, smallest two number is 4, 3, and difference between these two is 1. And third column, smallest two number is 1, 2, and difference between these two is also 1. Therefore, here write penalty 1. Then step second, choose the highest penalty. Here in this problem, we see that 2 is highest penalty for first row and second row. Then अब क्या हो गया इस प्रॉब्लम में कि दोनों रो की पेनल्टी सेम है, हाईएस्ट है. देन चूज द मिनिमम नंबर that row or column is select for allocation. Here we see that the in second row 1 is the minimum number. फर्स्ट रो में मिनिमम नंबर कौन सा है, 2 है, पर उससे भी कम सेकंड रो में है 1. Therefore we choose the second row for allocation, and here minimum number is 1 and its maximum minimum allocation is 8. Therefore here write 8, and this is 8 minus 8 0, and 18 minus 8 leave 10. Then here supply is 0, therefore cross out the second row. This is the given problem में आपने जो भी प्रोसेस किए है वो लिखनी है. देखो, this TP is balance type problem. Here we select the smallest two minimum number for each row and each column. Then we take the difference between these two number as a penalty. And here in first row, the smallest number are 2 and 4, and difference is 2, take as a penalty. ये पहले ही मैंने समझा दिया आपको प्रॉब्लम जब ऊपर दिखाया था. सिमिलरली तो यहाँ सिर्फ लिखना है, जो भी आपने किया है वो लिखना है आपको. Similarly, we select the penalty of the remaining row. In a first column, the two smallest number is 1 and 2, and their difference is 1, take as a penalty. Similarly, we select the penalty of the remaining column. Then after finding the penalty, we select the maximum penalty and allocate minimum possible allocation at particular cost. Here, maximum penalty is 2 in first and second row, and we find the minimum cost of these two, and that is 1, and hence allocation, and hence here we allocate minimum possible amount 8 at cost 1 and cross out the second row by reducing the possible amount of demand and supply. Thus the required TP is this. ये जो भी किया है पहले का वो लिखना है, और बाद में वो जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन टेबल है वो दोबारा लिखना है. तो देन यहाँ से सेकंड रो डिलीट हो गया. देन सोर्स O1, O3, O4 and destination D1, D2, D3, and remaining cost are 274, 547, 162, and supply is 4, 7, 14, and demand is 7, 9, 10. Again find the penalty. Then the first row, two minimum cost is 4 and 2, and difference between these two is 2. Therefore here write the penalty 2. And second row, minimum two cost is 4 and 5, and difference between these two is 1. Here write the penalty 1. And third row, minimum cost is 2 and 1, then difference between these two is 1. Then select first column. Here minimum cost is 1 and 2, therefore here write the penalty 1. In second column, minimum cost is 6 and 4, therefore penalty difference between these two is 2, and here penalty 2. Then third column, smallest two number is 4 and 2, then difference between these two is 2, therefore here write the penalty 2. Again, we find the penalty of row and column and select the maximum penalty. And here maximum penalty is 2, that is first row, second column and third column. अब इस प्रॉब्लम में क्या होगा, मैक्सिमम पेनल्टी दो फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड एंड थर्ड कॉलम की है, तो इसमें से मिनिमम नंबर चूज करो. पहले रो में मिनिमम नंबर कौन सा है, 2 है. देन सेकंड कॉलम में मिनिमम नंबर 4 है, लेकिन थर्ड में 2 है. देखो अब कौन सा रो और कॉलम आपको चूज करना है, मिनिमम अमाउंट. बट हियर फर्स्ट रो एंड थर्ड कॉलम में मिनिमम नंबर 2 है, मींस अगेन टाई. फर्स्ट टाई पेनल्टी का टाई है, देन अगेन टाई किसमें है, मिनिमम नंबर में है. मिनिमम फर्स्ट रो का भी मिनिमम नंबर 2 है और थर्ड कॉलम का भी मिनिमम नंबर 2 है. देन सिलेक्ट द नंबर which has maximum allocation. ये 2 अगर चूज किया तो इसका मैक्सिमम अलोकेशन कितना आएगा, 5 और 7 है तो 5 आएगा. लेकिन ये 2 चूज किया तो इसका मैक्सिमम अलोकेशन कितना है, 10 और 14 है तो 10 आएगा. Therefore we choose these 2 for solving the problem. Here these 2 का maximum allocation है 10, put here 10 and then this 10 minus 10 is 0 and 14 minus 10 is 4 and cross out the column third. ये जो किया वो यहाँ लिखा है. And then the required TP is like this: O1, O3, O4, D1, D2, and number is 2, 7, 5, 4. Supply is 5, 7, और वो O4 का number है 1, 6, and here supply is 4. Here demand is 7 and 9. Then find again penalties. In the first row, penalty between difference between two number is 5. In second row, difference between these two is 1, and third में difference between these two is 5. Then find the difference of first column. First column में lowest number कौन सा है, 1 और 2 है, difference between these two is 1, and second column में 4 और 2 है, तो difference between these two is 2. Choose the highest penalty row or column. Here first row is highest penalty. First and third row is highest penalty. Then here tie, again tie for penalty. दोनों रो की पेनल्टी सेम है, तो मिनिमम नंबर जो रो में है वो रो चूज करो. तो पहले इसमें मिनिमम नंबर 2 है, लेकिन थर्ड रो में मिनिमम नंबर 1 है, therefore choose here 1. And its maximum allocation is 4. Here put 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, therefore here cross out the third row, and 7 minus 4 leave 3, that write 3, and third row is delete. Then the given transportation problem is like this. जो किया है वो बीच में लिखना है और बाद में वो प्रॉब्लम लिखना है. Then O1, O3 source and destination D1, D2, and cost is 2, 7, 5, 4, and here supply is 5, demand is 7, 5, 7 supply है, demand है 3, 9. Then again find the penalty. First row की penalty 5, 7 minus 2 5, और second row की penalty 1. Then first column की penalty 3 और second column की penalty also 3. Choose the highest penalty. Here first row is highest penalty. Then choose list number. List number is 2 and its maximum allocation is 3. Put here 3, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. Then cross out the first column, and 5 minus 3 leave 2. And then write the next step of transportation TP O1, O3 and D2, and number is 7 and 4. Then अब यहाँ फर्स्ट रो में इसके साथ डिफरेंस निकालने के लिए दूसरा एलिमेंट नहीं है, तो पेनल्टी कितनी होगी, 7 ही होगी. और दूसरे O3 की 4 एंड कॉलम में 2 नंबर है तो इसकी पेनल्टी कितनी आएगी 7 - 4 is 3. Therefore choose highest penalty here 7 and its maximum allocation is 2. Put here 2, 2 - 2 0, then O1 is delete and here 9 - 2 that is leave 7. ये जो किया वो लिखो. Then again O3 D2 and number 4 its maximum allocation is 7. Then cross out row as well as column. Here all rim required are satisfied and hence the initial feasible solution are showing below. Here 3 row and 4 row and 3 column. Therefore here allocation given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means rim requirement condition is satisfied. What is rim requirement condition? That is row plus column minus 1. Here 4 row plus 3 column, 4 plus 3 7 minus 1 6 and 6 allocation is given. Therefore our problem is right. Then put here 2 का allocation कितना था 3, 7 का 2, 1 का 8, 4 का 7, 1 का 4 और 2 का 10. ये given problem में लिखो. Then write the value of x11 means first row, first element, that is x11. Here allocation is 3, therefore here write x11 is 3. x12 का कितना है 2, therefore x12 2, x23 2 3 that is here 8, x32 that is 7, x41 that is 4 and x43 that is 10. Then find minimum cost 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 7 plus 8 multiplied by 1 plus 7 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 1 plus 10 multiplied by 2. Then 6 plus 14 plus 8 plus 28 plus 4 plus 20, that is after calculating it is 80 unit and our problem is finish. Then write the second TP. Solve the TP by Vogel's method. Write the problem O1, O2, O3 sources D1, D2, D3, D4 destination, D5, 5 destination. Here supply and that is demand. Here unit cost is 3, 5, 8, 9, 11. Second row O2 source के है 5, 4, 10, 7, 10 और O3 की है 2, 3, 8, 7, 7 and supply is 20, 40, 30 and demand is 10, 15, 25, 30, 40. Here we see that the given problem is not balanced type problem. Therefore, that is unbalanced problem and we make it balanced as follows. Here write the O1, O2, O3 and O4, 4 sources and D1, D2, D3 and D5, 5 destination. Write the all these values from this table and then find the penalty. In first row 3 and 5, 2 number are smallest number, then difference between these 2 is 2. Here write the penalty 2. In second row 5 and 4, therefore here difference is 1, therefore penalty is 1. And third 2, 3 also difference between these 2 is 1, penalty is 1. And here 0, 0 and penalty is 0. First column 3 and 2 and 0, penalty is 2. Second column 3, 0 or 3, therefore penalty is 3. And third column 3 and 8, therefore penalty is here 8. Fourth column 0, 7, here penalty 7 and fifth column 0, 7 and also penalty is 7. Then choose the highest penalty for row and column. So column third की penalty highest है, that is 8. Then choose the minimum number for third column, that is 0, and put the maximum allocation for that number. Here 25, here and 30 है, तो इसमें का जो minimum है उसको आप maximum allocation कहते हो. They had 25, put here 25, 25 minus 25 0, therefore D3 is cross out, and here 30 minus 25, here leave 3. Then write the next transportation table, that is O1, O2, O3, O4, and destination D1, D2, D4, D5, D3 is cross out in previous step. Then write the unit 3, 5, 9, 11, 5, 4, 7, 10, 2, 3, 7, 7, and fourth का है 0, 0, 0, 0, because this fourth is balance करने के लिए आपने ये put किया था. Then find the penalty. Penalty from 1 is first column, first row is 2, second की है 1, third की 1, fourth की 0, then first column की कितनी है वो again 2, 0 और 2 का डिफरेंस 2, 3, 7, 7. Then choose the highest penalty of this row and column. Here highest penalty is 7 for this and this. Then choose the minimum number. Minimum number of third and fourth column is 0, 0. Again, first tie the penalty, then second tie the minimum number. दोनों का भी 0 है. Then choose the maximum allocation for that number. Here maximum allocation of this 5 is 0 is also 5, and this 0 is also 5, but here demand is 30, here demand is 40. Therefore we choose that 0 for allocation and put here 5, then cross out these row R4, and 40 minus 5, here leave 35. Then write the next table D1, D2, D4, D5, O1, O2, O3, then write this cost, then find again penalties. First row में 5 और 3 का difference 2, therefore here penalty 2, second में 1, 1, third में 1, और first column में 1, second में 1, third 0, and fifth में 3. Then highest penalty is 3, and choose minimum number. Minimum number is 7, and its maximum allocation is 30. Put here 30, 30 minus 30, 0. Therefore cross out the third row, and here 35 minus 30, therefore leave 5. And then again transportation table is like this: D1, D2, D4, D5, O1, O2. Then find penalty. First row की penalty है 5 minus 3, 2. Second की 1, first column की 2, second की 1, third column की कितनी है 2, और fourth की 1. Here choose maximum penalty. Maximum penalty is 2 for first column, second, third column, and first row. Then choose minimum number. Minimum number of first column is 3, and first row is also 3. And in this third column में minimum number 9 है, तो सबसे minimum number कौन सा है 3 है. Put here maximum allocation. Maximum allocation here write 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Therefore cross out the first column, and 20 minus 10, that is leave 10. Then write again transportation table O1, O2, D2, D4, D5. Then number is 5, 9, 11, 4, 7, 10. Then penalty of first row is 4, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, and second में 3 है. First column की 1, second की 2, और third की 1. Then choose the maximum penalty. Maximum penalty for first row, and choose minimum number. Minimum number is 5. Therefore here write 10, and 10 minus 10 0, then cross out the first row, and then 15 minus 10 is here leave 5. Then write again transportation table O2 source D2 D4 or D5. Then here the penalty for row is 7 minus 4, here write 3, और कॉलम में नहीं है दूसरा कौन सा नंबर, तो जो नंबर है उसको ही पेनल्टी कहते हैं, 4 4 7 or 10. Then maximum number is 10, maximum penalty of third column, that is 10. Put here 5 allocation maximum, and then put here 5, that is 5 minus 5 0, और यहाँ 40 minus 5 35 leave. Again write the D2 D4 and O2, and here 4 or 7 is penalty है 3, 7 minus 4 3, और कॉलम की पेनल्टी वही नंबर रहता 4 और 7, इसमें मैक्सिमम नंबर 7 है, 7 का अलोकेशन 30, here 30 minus 30 0, therefore D4 is cross out, and 35 minus 30 here leave 5, and again write O2 and D2 or 4 का maximum allocation 5, and cross out the column as well as row, means all rim required condition are satisfied. Here 4 row और 5 कॉलम है, तो इसके 4 plus 5 9 minus 1 8, and 8 allocation are given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Therefore all rim required condition are satisfied, and our given problem is right. Then write the minimum cost. Minimum cost is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 plus 10 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 4 plus 7 multiplied by 30 plus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 30 multiplied by 7, 25 multiplied by 0 plus 5 multiplied by 0, and here 570 unit. After calculating this, now our problem is finished. And next lecture is और असाइनमेंट प्रॉब्लम. कौन से, अगर कोई डाउट है तो पूछो.